The 2025 Audi SQ7, a sportier and more performance-oriented version of Audi's Q7 SUV. Compared to the regular Q7, the Audi SQ7 has a more aggressive and athletic exterior design with different styling components, larger wheels, and badging. The interior of the 2025 SQ7 is sleek, modern, and appealing, with excellent build quality. Nearly every surface in the cabin has been decorated with high-quality leather, wood, and aluminum trim, with the option of adding carbon fiber trim for extra sportiness. The Audi display system is attractive and functional for the most part. 3 monitors offer crisp pictures and quick response times. While the menu design is mainly intuitive, there is a little learning curve due to the numerous functions and customization possibilities. The haptic sensation on the touchscreens is pleasant, but some drivers may find the lack of tactile buttons bothersome. The Audi SQ7 has 3 rows that can accommodate 7 passengers. Large, cozy chairs up front provide excellent support as well as just enough side support to keep you standing in tight spaces. This latch system has the highest rating of Good Plus from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, making it one of the most user-friendly and adaptable systems. The cabin's boxy design facilitates good visibility in all directions. The second row is quite spacious and easily accommodates 2 adults. The 2 third-row seats are too small for adults and should be designated to children. There are 5 full sets of latch connectors for the second and third rows of seats. The SQ7 has a large cargo space, and the back seats may typically be pushed down to increase cargo capacity even further. The Audi SQ7 Sportback is equipped with a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine producing 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque. This engine strikes a good balance between refinement and brute power, offering rapid offline acceleration and smooth, continuous power delivery as you reach highway speeds. The SQ7 has dismal fuel efficiency estimates, but they are consistent with other V8-powered luxury SUVs. The SQ7 SUV returns 14 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. Audi also provides a pleasant ride overall but the roughest road surfaces. According to Audi, the SQ7 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. Audi vehicles are typically equipped with a range of advanced driver assistance systems, which include but are not limited to adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, automated emergency braking, and pedestrian recognition.